What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the final episode of Underground Australia for 2024 holiday special, guys. As you can see, we've got the mighty VF Commodore out. Do some trouble. Highway Patrol won't catch us today. They won't catch us tomorrow. I mean, what can you do, eh? So let's get in the car and we'll get into it.
One day.
So guys, we're back. Santa Claus reindeer looking car. So guys, what's been happening? Massive year. We got the TikTok running and we're getting subs. We've been growing, guys, so thanks to yous. We've been growing, getting bigger, Charlie, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
VY still not done. I mean, because I'm a useless prick. I have a habit of that, being useless. So, you know, what can you do, eh? What can you do? But you know what else is still massive, though? That low taper fade man from inches is still massive. So, guys, hope everyone's had an amazing year. We have.
Yeah.
Thank you for supporting the channel, guys, throughout this year. The Bright Rod Run video absolutely popped off. Over 3,300 views. Our most viewed video on the channel. So I really appreciate the support from that, guys. Yeah.
I wanted to go get some Celsius.
Oh yeah, you can too. We'll go back. Be windy. Guys, we just put up the 7-Eleven. Got the new flip side.
Better go crazy.
My man Troy Candy, the VF Commodore legend himself. But you know, HSVs, I guess he's more into the high-end spec stuff. We're into the low-end spec stuff, you know what I'm saying? So guys, yeah, maybe one day we'll get paid. So guys, thank you again for an amazing year on the channel. We're just going to put a little montage of some stuff we did this year. So thanks again, guys, for watching. Signing off, one last look at the VY for this year. It was meant to be done this year, guys. We all know that never happened, did it? So thanks again. Hopefully next year this will actually be on the road again. So cheers, guys. Enjoy the rest of the bit of the montage we've got. We'll see you in the new year. Cheers. Liquid gold we got here. Liquid gold. I say gold's the most expensive thing? No, Castrol. Magnetic, man, that's where it's at. Liquid gold. This is very important. Hell yeah. Okay guys, so we got the rear bumper out. Obviously looking a bit worse for wear, it's not as in immaculate condition as the front bumper is. So we're just going to go over this quickly and get it looking not like it hasn't been through a war. And yeah, so we'll be back with that in a second. So as you guys know, with the front bumper, it's already in primacy, as you can tell, as we've done in previous videos. In some spots it's a bit messy and not enough, and starting to rub off a little bit in some places. So that will get a very light sanding, and then we'll do one final coat, and that will actually be ready for the actual proper car paint.